So, my dear students, elasticity of demand is another important part of chapter 2. Okay, so under elasticity of demand, we will study about the price elasticity of demand, and then types of elasticity of demand, and then measurement of price elasticity of demand. And the last topic of elasticity of demand is factors affecting price elasticity of demand. Okay, so under measurement of price elasticity of demand, there are three methods. Okay, first is percentage method, then second one is geometric method, and third one is total expenditure method. Okay, so geometric method is also called what? Linear demand curve. Okay, so these are the important topic of elasticity of demand. So our first topic is what? Price elasticity of demand. Okay, so now I will discuss about what is price elasticity of demand. Okay, so what is price elasticity of demand? Price elasticity of demand shows the percentage change in quantity demand due to percentage change in price. Okay, so price elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demand due to percentage change in price. मतलब प्राइस चेंज होने के कारण हमारे डिमांड पर कितना इम्पैक्ट आया, क्या इम्पैक्ट आया, उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड. मतलब ड्यू टू चेंज इन प्राइस there is how much change in quantity demand. Okay, how much change in quantity demand due to change in price is called price elasticity of demand. Okay, so again I repeat that मतलब हमारे प्राइस चेंज होने के कारण हमारे डिमांड पर क्या इम्पैक्ट आया, उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड. सो टेक वन एग्जाम्पल माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. व्हेन द प्राइस ऑफ सिगरेट राइजेस बाय 10%, क्या हुआ? सिगरेट का दाम 10% बढ़ गया. राइजेस मतलब इंक्रीज हुआ 10%. then the quantity of cigarette demanded falls by 5%. सो 10% प्राइस बढ़ने के कारण हमारे डिमांड क्या हुआ? सिगरेट का डिमांड क्या हुआ? फॉल्स, कम हो गया. बाय हाउ मच? बाय 5%. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड. मतलब देखो, प्राइस चेंज होने के कारण हमारे डिमांड पे इम्पैक्ट आया कि नहीं? आया कि नहीं? डिमांड बी फॉल्स बाय 5%. This is called price elasticity of demand. So take another example, my dear students. For example, price of onion is rupees 30 per kg. Okay, when the price of onion is rupees 30 per kg, our demand is 6 kg onion per month. Okay, but now price of onion increases from rupees 30 to rupees 50 per kg. Now our demand is only 4 kg per month. Okay, so the price of just take one example. Okay, suppose the price of onion is rupees 30 per kg. When the price of onion is rupees 30, our demand is how much? 6 kg. Okay, but when the price of onion increases or rises from rupees 30 to rupees 50, now our demand falls from 6 kg to 4 kg पर मंथ. तो क्या इम्पैक्ट आया ना? प्राइस चेंज होने के कारण क्वांटिटी डिमांड पे इम्पैक्ट आया कि नहीं? पहले प्राइस कितना था? 30. अभी ऑनियन का दाम कितना है पर केजी? ऑनियन का दाम 50. तो पहले हमारा डिमांड कितना था? 6 kg. अभी हमारा डिमांड कितना हुआ? अभी 4 kg. तो क्वांटिटी डिमांड में इम्पैक्ट आया कि नहीं? So this is called price elasticity of demand. Means percentage change in quantity demand due to percentage change in price. Okay, my dear students. So price elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demand due to percentage change in price. This is what price elasticity of demand. Okay. Thank you.